Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to be an Amazon seller. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your Play Store. If you're using iPhone, head over to your App Store. Once you're in the store, tap on the search bar and search for Amazon Seller. In the search results, you will see the Amazon Seller app. Now install this on your phone. I've already installed this, so I'll launch the app. So in order to become an Amazon seller, you must have the seller account. So you will need to register our seller account first. You can select your country from here. Now select this create account over here. You will need to provide your first and last name, your email address, and create a password for your account. You will receive the one-time password on your email address. So open your inbox. In the email, you will see the one-time password. Copy it. Now go back and paste it over here. If you're planning to be a professional seller, you can choose this option. Otherwise, scroll down and here you can see sign up to become an individual seller. You can choose this option. And there you go. You've successfully registered your seller account on Amazon. It has certain process. You can continue according to the instructions. After you provide your details and documents, you'll get verified and you can start selling. So tap on this get started button. So provide your answers accordingly to all these questions, and after you get verified, you'll become an Amazon seller. So you can finally sell your products on Amazon. So that's it. That's how you can become an Amazon seller. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.